I got this lash kit from OK Love on TikTok shop, and I'll link it down below for you guys. But the lashes look so good, and it also came with tweezers, lash remover, and bond and seal. This is a must, and you can also order from Amazon. I'll link my favorites down below for you guys. This is what my lashes look like before even curling my lashes. So they're very sparse and straight. Yeah, the length of everyone's eye is always different, so depending on your eyes, you're gonna want to measure it. There are different types of eyes out there that you can create with lash extensions, but I personally want to go for the doe eye, I think it's called, or doll eye. But yeah, so 10 is the shortest. I usually like using 8s here. Going with the bond side, this is what it looks like. You can actually put it on your lashes, or you can just put it on here if you're a beginner. And me, I personally like doing it on the lashes rather than on my real lashes, because I don't want it to, you know, mess up and then just risk it. Let it dry for like a second, and then it actually helps to have a mirror underneath you. So I have a mirror like right here so I can see what I'm doing. So this is a 16, and I'm not gonna go all the way out here. Rather, I'm gonna go like skip 2 lashes and go right here. Like, I'm gonna try explaining it better. So instead of going right here, I'm looking at the mirror so I can see what I'm doing, but I'm looking right here. This is where my lashes start, right? So I'm not gonna put the end of the lashes here. I'm gonna make sure the end of the lashes ends right here, so it's more of a lifted eye look rather than like droopy eye look. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And boom, like that. Perfect. First lash is on. Is that simple. You can also just squeeze it so it doesn't come off. A little bit right here, the lashes, and I do put a decent amount of glue. And whenever you put your lashes, make sure it's close as possible to the previous one, or else there's gonna be a gap and it's not gonna look nice. Perfect. After applying it, wait like 2 seconds and then just go in and just press it. And then we're obviously gonna press it and seal it at last. Okay, so I did 14, 16, and now we're gonna do another 14. You can always put lash serum just so your lashes are also growing whenever you do lash extensions, and it doesn't really affect the lashes. Let me just try doing it like this. Then, okay, that definitely sticks a lot better. Okay, nice. This is what it's looking like. And now we're going to use a 10, and this is going to be the last lash we use for this set. Since I already have glue on here, so I'm not going to put any more glue of the lashes. I'm going to just press it one more time before moving to the other eye. And for sealing, we're gonna do that last so all the glue can dry before sealing. Let's do a 14 first. Hold it at an angle like this, the tweezers, and then just hold it like you would, you know, when you're trying to dissect something. So yeah, and then hold it at like a straight angle or like an angle like upwards, so you have a better grip and you can just put it on, rather than if you do it like this, it's harder to control it and just see where your lashes should go. putting the glue on my lashes was definitely the right move because it is so much easier and a lot faster. And that literally took like 2 minutes. But before we do that, let's put on the seal side. This is very important. This is where it gets rid of all of the glue and just sets it in place. So you can use the wand and just brush it. And I also like to close my eyes and do it. I will say that putting this side feels a lot more comfortable than this side, and I wonder if it's because this is the technique I usually use for anytime I do lash extensions, and this side I tried a new technique, which is by putting the glue on my lashes directly, and I feel like it's a lot of glue, so I don't know if that's why it feels a little bit more uncomfortable. It's not horrible, but it's just a little bit like, you know, uncomfortable when you put like falsies on. At first it's a little uncomfortable, then you get used to it, so it's like that feeling. It's actually really pretty. I would try a little bit more natural set, but I really like the look of it. And yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the after. It's really pretty. This was literally $10, and I don't think you could ever get lash extensions for $10, and this should last about like a week, I believe. That's what they claim, so I'm expecting 7 days. Definitely try doing your own lashes at home. You can save so much money, you can save a lot of time, and yeah, it's just super pretty, nice, and it's just a skill to have. If you enjoyed this video, please do give this video a thumbs up, like, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Enjoy your day, stay safe, love you.